In today's video, I'll show you how to revert Outlook to the classic ribbon view. If your Outlook now shows a simplified ribbon with fewer buttons, you can restore the familiar layout in just a few clicks. First, open Outlook in the main window where you can see your inbox or another folder. The ribbon is the horizontal strip of commands at the top with tabs like Home, Send/Receive, and View. If the ribbon is collapsed, click the small arrow or caret in the top right corner to expand it. Next, move your mouse to a blank area of the ribbon, not on a button or tab, but an empty space between commands or on the far right. Right-click this blank area to open the context menu. From the menu, select Use Classic Ribbon. The ribbon will immediately expand to the traditional layout, showing fuller groups, more commands, and the familiar arrangement across emails, calendars, and other Outlook windows. If you don't see the option, ensure you're using the Outlook desktop app for Windows. Some preview or new Outlook, builds, Mac versions, or certain editions may not include the toggle. Check for updates via Microsoft 365 or switch to the classic desktop Outlook if needed. Also, workplace policies might force the simplified ribbon. If so, contact your IT administrator. Once enabled, the classic ribbon setting typically persists across sessions. To return to the simplified view, simply right-click an empty ribbon area again and toggle the option off. This lets you switch between layouts depending on which you prefer for productivity. With Outlook open, a right-click on empty ribbon space, and selecting Use Classic Ribbon, you can quickly restore the full, familiar interface and work in the layout you trust.